Yung
Ng coaching.
si Lolo Bob, si Coach Bob, tinawag ko, Zoren, halika. Naku, tinitrain ko ngayon si Alex. Kasi dati nanonood lang yan eh. Sabi niya, nakita ko kasi yan nasa fence, nanonood ng tournament. Nanonood daw siya the whole tournament, pinanonood daw niya si Alex na talagang nakaganon lang sa fence, pinanonood yung tournament.
Yung mga laro, oo.
Oo, kaya after that, sinabi niya, gusto mo bang mag-train? Yun, nag-yes na. Yun ang kwento sa akin ni Coach Bob.
Galing naman.
If you trace her history, masasama talaga kami. Katulad niya, makita niyo sa picture, nandiyan si Cassie, yung katabi niya si Alex. Ayan, no? So,
Ang cute, no?
Yeah, the very young age, competitive na yung training niya. Ayan, si Maverick naman, nandiyan. Yung coach diyan, si Cecil Mamiit.
Oo.
Yung time na yun.
Who at one point was
Davis Copper natin.
top 100 yun.
Yes.
Oo.
Oo. Siya nagturo, nagkaroon sila ng session with Cecil Mamiit.
But you were coaching Mavi.
Yes.
Di ba?
Competitively, kaya kasabay ko sila sa court. So nakita ko talaga dito boy yung hard work. I saw everything.
Oo. At ang nag-coach nila ni Alex at saka ni Miko, her brother, yung kanilang Lolo Bob, di ba?
Coach Bob, Lolo Bob ang tawag sa kanya.
Right.
Very close ako sa kanya because of kami lang, sorry, nagiging emotional ako. Yeah, kami kasi lagi nauuna sa court. Kasi we have to reserve the court. Magkapit-bahay kami sa court. And
Valle Verde ito, di ba?
Yes, so we have to be there very early. Siya nagwo-workout pa siya. Naka-all white yun. Always ready. Ang nakita ko sa kanila, first and foremost, is the discipline.
Okay.
Yung disiplina, nasa kanila and they follow instructions. So, makikita mo kaagad sa kanila na very coachable. Very coachable. Alam mo yung kay...
I like that, coachable. Kasi meron
Yeah.
naman talagang hindi coachable.
Yes.
Katulad ko.
Kaya nakita ko, Tito Boy, yung hard work nila. I saw everything.
And you
It's
saw
not-
them being trained.
Oh yeah. Hindi to yung tawa-tawa. That's not allowed in the court. Once you enter the court, kailangan prim and proper ka, maganda yung get-up mo, hindi ka yung mukhang... You're ready to play.
Okay. Oh, but when you were training also Mavi, parang there was a below 12, anong tawag niyo? 12 and below
Yeah,
competition.
12 under, 10
12
under.
under, di ba? Kung saan nag-compete si Miko, the brother of Alex, at saka sila Mavs, di ba?
Yes. Actually, nakasama ko namin sila sa Kuchay, Malaysia.
Okay.
Doon nag-tournament si Maverick. And doon ko na-realize na ang hirap nito. Doon ka talaga, ang hirap nito, ang hirap. Hindi lang yung traveling, the time, yung kalaban, Tito Boy. You know, if you're not a tennis player, bawat kalaban, kailangan may iba-ibang diskarte. At kailangan yung bawat diskarte na yun, master mo.
Tama.
If I can drop shot you, ang bilis mo mag-drop shot,
Oo.
humabol sa drop shot, I need to change.
Right there.
Oo.
Pero alam mo, nakita ko yung interview ni Leila Fernandez at sinabi niya, Leila is a Canadian player po na
Filipina-Canadian,
Pilipina din
yeah.
ang kanyang ina. Pero nakita ko yung sinabi niya, one of yung separator daw ni Alex can change your game right there. O yung hindi mo talaga mababasa. Hindi mo talaga siya mababasa daw.
I agree. Because
Ako
recently nakita ko, the way she yung mga return of serve, she goes for it. Normally kasi ang sasabihin, balik mo lang.
Oo.
For safety, no? You
Hindi.
gotta go for it. Yun ang ginagawa niya ngayon. She goes for it.
Correct. Oh, at saka hindi lang hindi lang return,
Yeah.
pero may pwesto.
May pwesto.
Alam mo yung hahabulin. I saw the Rybakina game with yung kanila ni Alex, yung parang wow.